Guys, so I'm about to head on to my charts right now. It's 30 minutes before London session. And a tip of advice, ne, if you trade a particular session, please analyze 30 minutes before that session. Don't analyze during that session because the volatility would have already picked up and you'll be just everything and you won't really see the market clearly or choose your setups clearly. So in order for you to keep a neutral state of mind, analyze before the session starts. So when the volatility kicks in, you already know what you're looking for nice and neatly, So that's my advice. Another thing, I would really want to show you guys how I look at the market, but my laptop, guys, my laptop is just taking. It doesn't want to screen record. I don't know what's wrong with it, but my laptop buffet. So I'm just gonna take a video with my camera whenever I see my setups. So you guys can just see when I take trades and whatever. And if I don't get a setup, I might just tell you at the end of the trading session if I got a setup or not. Guys, this laptop. Guys, how is there no Wi-Fi when there is Wi-Fi? How? I've tried scanning and it says no. How is there no Wi-Fi? So I got that problem fixed. I have my trading plan right here. I have a picture of my mother to motivate me. Guys, we are cooking today. We are cooking. And when I say we are cooking, I don't mean that the market owes me a profit. No, what I'm saying is that I am going to take the best trades I can when they appear. This is the 4-hour time frame. As you can see, guys, the market was bullish for some time, right? And then we created this swing low, and then we broke it, created a swing high, right? And then we broke that swing low. Now expecting a pullback and momentum to the downside. That's what you're expecting to do. So yeah, that's the 4-hour. Don't mind these guys. Don't mind these. These are for me, and these are for previous price action. And then we go to the 15-minute. As we go to the 15-minute, we can see that price is still bearish on the 15-minute. Price is bearish on the 15-minute, has been bearish on the 15-minute, creating those lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, right? And right now, you can also see that here on the recent price action that price hasn't really done anything yet. There was this momentum that came to the downside, and now what I am expecting is a change of character for me to actually buy this lower low, right? Because you guys should know that we sell the lower highs and then we buy the lower lows. We sell the highs, we buy the lows, right? You can't buy this, and you shouldn't buy this. You shouldn't buy this because you know what the market will do, right? And you shouldn't sell this because the market is going to go up. So for us, in order to be confident in buying this lower low right here, what we need is a change of character. Now, how do we see that change of character? First of all, we want price to break this right here. We want it to break it, and then we want price to break this right here. Break that high, right? And then after breaking that high, you're expecting a demand here, and then we go up, right? Expecting a demand here. And then we go up. And then once we get this demand, I'm not saying this is going to happen, but this is what should happen. This is what I want to happen in order for me to take a trade. I'm not saying that it will, but if I'm trading today, then this is what should happen, right? So this demand level right here, that's where we look for our entry models. Guys, yeah, that's where I look for my entry models, and that's basically how I see the market today. So I'm just expecting a change of character here. That's when I can buy. But if I don't get a change of character, then it means I'm not trading today. Or Another thing that can happen is that I the price mitigates this demand and it gives me my entry model right here. And then once it gives me my entry model, that's when I can take shorts. That's when I can take shorts here. You know what I mean? And then I usually target 5R, guys. I usually target 5R. But you can see, guys, that that is not happening right now as price is moving to the downside. So what I think will happen is either what I think will happen is that price is gonna break this and then come back to break this high, and then after breaking that high, you're gonna get that demand, and then you're gonna go up for that pullback. Or guys, because I'm not a predictor of the market, price might just break this, get mitigated here, and continue going down, and continue going down, and continue going down, you know. But we prepare for every situation. That's what the forecasting is for. So we'll just see what happens. We'll just see what happens. Yeah, that's how I basically see the charts for today. Guys, so as you can see, I didn't get my setup today. I really wanted to get a setup. Not because the market owes me a setup or anything. It's just that I wanted to show you guys how I trade and everything. But unfortunately, the market didn't, and we're not going to force anything here. I do not condone forcing setups.